I literally won 3,700 tickets in time zone. Come, let me show you how I won. Hi guys, my name is Dhanashree Joshi, and trust me, I was craving going to time zone since a really long time. I
And
went to the
played at
nearest
this
time zone
big
rig, and trust me, it cost so much of patience. I ended up not playing it at all. Again, the machine was not working as it should have. I played at two different tickets machines and failed miserably because I don't know why my luck was not with me at all. I stopped playing the tickets game completely and started playing the air hockey and lost again with 0-3. Trust me, guys, I'm the best with these games, but I don't know what was wrong. I literally left that time zone and went all together to a different time zone in a different mall. बाद में बहुत भूख लग गई थी एट दिस पॉइंट एंड हैड बन मस्का चाय बटर स्कॉच मिल्क शेक एंड मैगी एंड फिर थोड़ा सा लगा कि अब मैं खेल सकती हूँ तो आई स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग एट द टाइम जोन इन दैट मॉल एंड प्लेड दिस टिकट वाला गेम द एनीबडी हु हैज़ बीन गोइंग टू टाइम जोन नोज हाउ मच दिस गेम गिव्स यू बैक थोड़ा बार नहीं मिला बट उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग दीज tickets and I never stopped. At the point where I got so many tickets, I was like, oh my god, they have to refill it now. So we stopped playing and I won 3,700 something tickets and I felt like I've literally won a lottery. And then we quickly went and put these tickets into the machine. At one point I was actually done feeding these tickets to the machine and was equally excited to know how many tickets I had got. And then we stopped playing that game and moved on to some different games that we had never explored probably. फिर उसके बाद जाते जाते ये गेम खेला फॉर नो रीज़न एट ऑल आई जस्ट वांटेड टू सी वेयर इट लैंड्स अप एंड आई वॉन 20 टिकट्स एंड आई थिंक समथिंग इज़ बेटर देन नथिंग उसके बाद वी फाइनली 2.5 hours and 3,700 tickets ke baad I finally went out and explored the Mars pop-up shop and got a lip gloss for myself just for fun. Then we went to pop dates again, got a little hungry, not much, so ordered some munchies and those were the usuals that we normally order when we go out, watched the match and called it a day. Let me know if you guys are interested in more such vlogs and videos. I will be equally excited. Bye, guys.